Hello people, this is We Are Traveler. Welcome to the channel. You are watching Road Trip to Munnar Part 3. In this video, we'll start our journey from Marayur towards Idukki, traveling through the hills covered with green lush tea gardens and waterfalls and so many sights to behold. So stay tuned till the end. And if you are new here, in the last episode, we did a jeep safari which included a lot of adventurous and beautiful location. So click the I button for the full video here.
Hello, good morning, welcome guys. So this is the stay where we stayed last night. It is around 50 kilometers from Munnar. Amazing property. They have a dog too named Rooney. Now it's time to leave. You're all packed up, geared, ready to leave.
When we woke up in the morning, it was quite foggy, but now the sun has came up and fog is gone. I suppose Rooney is not happy.
So finally time to leave. We are leaving this homestay. Today's plan is to stay in Idukki. So we will be exploring Munnar again today on our way and then finally reach Idukki by evening. So yeah, that's the plan. This is the place where our car got stuck last night. It got overheated because of some reason, so we have to let it cool down for some time and then fill in the radiator back with some water, fresh water, cold water. Oh, look at the mountain in front and the house above that. Such a amazing, crazy location to live, right? Okay, elephant crossing zone, drive carefully. Sure. So much smoke. गन्ने का जूस पियोगे? Just look at the view, man. All the waterfalls are visible. Let's take a picture. So leaving this beautiful landscape. Now, एक शुगर केन शॉप था पीछे. हाँ रुक के शुगर केन जूस पी लिया. Refresh now. Let's go. बड़े बड़े टारगेट हैं. We have to cover a lot today. Plan was to go to top station side today, but due to a landslide, that side is closed. Beautiful scenery all around. There are a lot of farms going on. Banana, sugarcane on my right, banana on my left, coconut in front. I think we took some other road this time. The road we took last night was super bad. This is a sandal reserve, sandalwood, Chandan. पुष्पा भाई का राज है इधर. हाँ भाई चलो आओ भाई. यो कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
जब गया हूँ
यहाँ रखो ना पैर ऊपर.
ऊपर जाओ ऊपर
हाँ
तो सर रख दो वहीं पे.
मैं तो रख जाऊंगा. So we stopped at this waterfall. Now again moving ahead. Oh, I can see one more waterfall in front from the mountain top, and I think it is coming down here. Yeah. Look at these beautiful tree states. I can see coffee also on my left. I can see one waterfall through the trees. Beautiful location. Amazing views. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waterfalls in front of me on that hill. One more waterfall. One more waterfall. And I can see one more here. Yeah. Such a beautiful temple. One more waterfall. Munnar is 22 kilometers. If I stop for a second and see on my right, all I can see is green tea fields. I'll try to stop at some good viewpoint so that everyone can see. Perfect. क्या spot है ये?
Really, a breathtaking spot beyond any explanation. The area between Mayur and Munnar is exceptionally very rich. First, so many waterfalls on the way, and then these gorgeous tea estates, breathtaking views everywhere. And traveling in monsoon just made everything extremely green.
We are leaving from this place. Got amazing views. Oh man, everywhere it's tea. Everything is green. It's 3:20. So next point is Munnar city. That is 17 kilometers. One more waterfall. Oh, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. It started raining. I think different driver is gonna stop at some place so that we can have our raincoats on. रेनकोट पहन लेते हैं, वाइस चॉइस. लेट्स स्टार्ट. We've got our raincoats on. That's why we stopped, because it's raining now and then, so it's better to have the raincoat on. Wind is very cold. I have my visor open and it's directly hitting my eyes. Wow.
I was really enjoying this green stretch because before that we were continuously stopping. Finally, a peaceful drive till I saw some hands waving at me, asking me to stop and check the car.
This is a good open space here. You can park here. फिर कुछ हो गया गाड़ी को? लग तो रहा है ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं ये लोग.
Some of us were filling the car radiator with the water and few of us were enjoying the waterfall. You gotta do something to pass the time, right?
Okay, finally it's 4 p.m. already. We are back on road. The same problem which happened last night with the car. There was no power coming because of overheat, because of no water in the radiator, and this Ford EcoSport doesn't have any temperature meter inside, so you won't get to know what is happening until unless the car stops. We were lucky that it stopped on a waterfall, so we could refill the water easily. Yesterday night we had just 2 liters of water, drinking water, and we used that. We were lucky that we were just 600-700 meters from our stay last night. So we reached there, top up the water in the morning. We decided we'll get the radiator coolant in Munnar, but we are still 15-16 kilometers away from Munnar. Oh, the view is so awesome. All the clouds are above the mountain range. So green, man, so green. I can see different level of that waterfall till the bottom. I think there is a viewpoint. We have came to National Park. So this was the National Park we planned to visit, but now we are running out of time because of the car. So we are directly going to Idukki, but we'll obviously stop in Munnar. I just got a board behind like "Welcome to Munnar, land of Thar and Neelkurunji." So from there, I remembered a fact about Neelkurunji that last time when I was here, a river. Last time I was here, then I got to know about Neelkurunji. So the last bloom was 2018, which was missed obviously because I was not aware of that. Next bloom is 2030 because it blooms in 12 years, once in 12 years. So yeah, I have already set a reminder for 2030 to see the bloom. We are back in Munnar now. We have to find some garage, car garage, and get the coolant for the car so that we are not facing any problem, and we'll also get it checked what is exactly happening. So we have found the workshop and we are going towards it. Have to take a U from here. We have finally found this workshop here on the road. हमें थोड़ा सा काम कराना है. Let's see क्या चल रहा है.
A few moments later.
So finally, the problem got diagnosed. There is a part replacement needed, which will come to us tomorrow in the afternoon. So for that time, we have to stay here only. Then tomorrow, after it is done, the replacement, then we'll move forward to whatever location we decide tomorrow. Abhi to we'll stay here tonight. For tonight, we have booked a stay, which is not very far. Started to rain again. Yeah, I totally forgot. You get an amazing view of whole Munnar city. So our stay would be near to this. Road is not good. Okay, we are almost there. The road is almost gone.
We finally reached here. After reaching here, we called a few other places just to confirm about the part and got to know that it's a long holiday, so we won't be getting the part tomorrow as well. There is no use of getting stuck at the same place, so we decided to leave tomorrow for Bangalore. Let's meet tomorrow on the road. So we started in the morning from Munnar town towards Bangalore. We crossed the Lockhart Gap and now we reached this dam. The view was so gorgeous, we decided to stop and take the drone out. So enjoy this view. Our Munnar visit was full of so many adventures, different locations, beautiful hills, tea gardens, waterfalls, and whatnot. Also, so many unexpected surprises as well. Even though we have to cut short our trip, I really enjoyed Munnar. Good things always come to an end. So, this would be the last episode. I'll be back very soon with another video. Let me know in the comments which location you like the most. Subscribe for more content and do like this video if you love this content.